Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to monetize your TikTok content, and we're gonna go through all the different monetizations options. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Hit the lower right corner, guys. Then you wanna click on the top right three straight lines, okay? Then you want to click on first option, which is creator tools. Now guys, there's a special section over here, monetization. You see how many options you have actually to make money. Let's start with the first option, which is creator marketplace. Well, essentially over here, guys, you are taking part and you're getting paid for what? For creativity. Essentially, this is where brands, for example, are selling handcrafted items, clothes, whatever. You as a creator, you get an offer, right? And you're essentially being able to make money through all this. Here are the requirements. Requirements are not crazy in comparison with any other monetization tactics. First option is of course that you have to be over the age of 18. You have to have at least 10,000 followers or more. You should have posted 3 videos or more in the last 30 days. You should have 1,000 real video views. This is very important. They have a special upgrade on the algorithm where they can actually detect, are you paying bots? Do you have a bots followers as well to get these 10,000 followers? It's not so profitable. I had another account which I had 70,000 followers. I got like 2 offers through this marketplace, and one was like for 300, the other one was for like $400, but we didn't end up making the deal. It was too much hassle. I hope they had much clearer path of running the deals. Second option will be subscriptions. This is very similar to the one that you actually see on Twitter, or you will see on Twitch, where subscribers are contributing a small amount. In this particular case, as you can see, requirements, you should have a live access, which means that you have at least 1,000 followers. Go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days, which is very possible and easy to do, right? You can go live for 30 minutes while, I don't know, you're writing your homework or doing your workout. No one says that you have to live stream and do nothing, right? Sit in the chair. Again, nothing crazy. As you can see, estimated monthly earnings, with 50,000 subscribers you can make 100k. How about this? Assuming you have 50,000 subscribers, it is an estimation, not guaranteed, of course. How are you gonna get this money? Well, receive more earnings, get sustainable earnings for live community growth, build stronger connections, share unique voice. Essentially over here, guys, you're doing what other people are doing. You see, you can make the max is $210,000 a month. Would you get it? Absolutely, but I think this is only for the superstars, TikTok international superstars. But it's cool. I mean, I like the user interface is so cool. Next option, of course, is creativity program beta. This is where the monies are being made. This is where I made the money with my other account. This is the most realistic way for you to actually make money. 10,000 subscribers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Easy, guys. Easy. The same part over here is that the content has to be original. If you simply reposting stuff, there are two things that will happen. If you repost stuff that is not yours, right, without editing or some expert music, sounds, effects, first of all, the content will not qualify for the creativity program beta, and they will disqualify the content, or the worst case, they will simply ban your channel, your account. But I believe this is the most realistic way in which anyone can actually make a whole lot of money. I would say easily maybe $3,000 to $5,000 a month. I'm talking about posting 3 videos a day. And again, we're talking about original content, guys. We're not talking about you chopping off podcast clips or you just posting news channel videos, right? Talking about legitimate, interesting, educational content. The next is TikTok Shop for creators. This is where you essentially can start, and you can promote stuff, or you can sell stuff for other people. It's like affiliate marketing, right? Nothing crazy. Requirements, this time around you only need over 5,000 followers. But like I said, earning commission here, I haven't heard anyone making a bank. Probably there's somebody, but not so many people. TikTok shop for sellers. So this is where you can actually set up your own shop, right? You can register like a business. This is cool because it's only for the US, right? And you can start. It's kind of in competition with what you usually will see people running a Shopify store or Etsy store on the other platforms. But here you can have all-in-ones. You can have your creator account and you can have your creator shop, and you don't have to promote anyone else's product, right? You can promote your own products, which is closed circle. The only issue I have is that with every monetization option that we went through so far, and until the end, TikTok is getting its cut, right? Sometimes more, sometimes less, but this is how it works. You can make money if you work with artists through the music. I'm not so familiar with this particular feature. I'm not using sounds, but I think the last function is very, very cool. Getting or receiving tips. This is not you going live. This is simply you publishing nice and good educational or entertaining content, and people appreciate you, and people tip you. You can just imagine if you have a 1 million views a day, right? Let's say only 1% give you tip. That's a good money. That's $1,000 a day. Talking about good content. The only issue I have over here is that the requirement for being eligible is pretty high. You should have 100,000 followers. This is obviously a feature because it's like a easy money, right? For only top creators, only 100k followers. But like I said, it's very appealing. I think I like this, and probably one of my favorite. But this is how you can make money on TikTok, guys. Some of the ways to monetize the content that you're creating are easier than others. Some are looks like more profitable than others, but at the end of the day, if you're making a lot of content and a lot of good content, well, some of these options should work pretty well for you. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.